This is Glorious's Series 1 Pro. You can get it right now for 30 bucks on Amazon. Spoiler alert, just pause the video, click the first link in the description, add it to your cart, and come back. Okay, this mouse is 30 bucks right now. It used to be well over 100 back in the day. 50 grams, ambidextrous shape, small to medium sized hands. It has a Pixar BAMF sensor. I don't know what that means, but basically it's not the latest and greatest in sensor tech, but it doesn't need to be. What comes inside the box? You have the mouse itself, the dongle, a USB-C cable, as well as some stickers. Why is it 30 bucks? Honestly, I don't know. I've had Glorious mice in the past. You can put a lot of hours in these before you have issues. And for 30 bucks, it's a pretty safe bet. Plus they have like 2 years limited warranty if you don't try dissecting this on your own, like me. Let's now go over the PC, give you a quick POV of what it feels in hand, and some gaming first impressions. Here's the mouse in my hand. As you can see, it fits quite well. This is the size of my hand for reference. Anyways, clicks are nice and crispy. The body does not flex much. The colorway is just okay, like it's not crazy, but you know what, I rock it. The shape is really comfortable though, keep in mind. Let's now try it in game and see how it goes. In terms of like my control of the mouse, it feels nice. Even though it's 50 grams, it feels like a comfortable 50 grams. The sensitivity, I haven't really locked it in per se because I try so many mice, but right now, the shape is feeling good. I have like a weird palm claw hybrid going on in hand. And hey, honestly, I'm vibing, like straight up, this is pretty lit. I feel pretty good. It doesn't feel like an awkward shape. Honestly, it's a very safe ambidextrous shape, so I really like that. It's a nice shape. It's like actually a good size. 30 bucks, dude, I'm vibing. This has 1000 polling hertz, by the way. I have it set to 1600 DPI, and I'm vibing. I'm actually having a good time. So that was pretty solid. That's Aim Labs for you. Feels good. Let's move on to CS2. Loading into a deathmatch in CS2. Let's see how it feels in game. The feel of the mouse is very high quality. For 30 bucks, like it feels premium. There is no side flex or anything. No weird oddities when shaking the heck out of the mouse. So, you know, all things considered, for 30 bucks, it's very nicely built. So let's see how it feels in game. Okay, that was nice and crispy. Chickens are dead with ease. Okay, spray is bad, but you know what? The feel in hand is solid. Let's try it again. Run it back. Okay, he's trolling. Love that. Nice. Ew, that's feeling crispy, bro. That was a dirty 2K. All things considered, this shape is a vibe. I'm enjoying it so far. Let's now go into Marvel Rivals. So far, I'm feeling really good about this mouse. For 30 bucks, it's putting a smile on my face. This is amazing value for money, like Glorious. Start selling more mice at this price. Okay, wait, tracking wise, it's a very comfortable shape. Yo, wait, no, this mouse is great for tracking games. Literally, what in the world? Hey, bottom line is for Marvel Rivals, this is a great mouse. Tracking related games, I'm feeling it. It's a really good shape for it. Very comfortable, especially since I'm someone who's had the luxury of being able to try a lot of mice shapes. For 30 bucks, it's a fantastic value. So to conclude, I think that this is definitely worth picking up. It is such a great value for money for 30 bucks. I do not think that there are better mice under $50 than this from Glorious. The Series 1 Pro is fantastic. My first impression so far, it's a good shape. And honestly, if you're on a budget, dude, go pick it up. Link is down below in the description and enjoy.